And it's hot.
How can we stay here?
Okay, so this is our little rooftop space. I'm gonna insert pictures of what it looks like before here and here. So as you can see, it's been a big improvement. We've painted it. It's a very small, cute rooftop. We've got the artificial grass going on. I've got some loungers here and there that I'm gonna put up. So it's gonna be a cute space. Stay tuned. Put on your slippers then.
It feels good to on a tennis. Hey, I know why, because it's plastic.
Yeah. Good morning, guys. So today we're on our little rooftop and we're just gonna put up some of the furniture that we brought, which is just like a couple sun loungers and a day bed. I'm just gonna bring you guys along the journey of making this rooftop a nice, chilled, relaxed place. I'm going for like lounge type of vibes. I think this is the sun lounger, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
This one with the sun.
Okay.
Take
So,
everything out and I'll remove the box.
oh, okay. All right, so my mum's just taking everything out of the boxes.
No, so we need to. There's no instructions for that one. So don't open up until we put that one up together.
I think this is something different.
This is the day bed.
So we can put that aside, but the instructions might be in here.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because it's
This is
2 of
one
2.
set.
No, but it's 2 of 2, so the instructions might be in one of them.
I think this one says an hour. I'll be back in a minute.
Okay. What? Oh, it's fine, mummy. Ah! Oh, mummy! Mummy, it's gone, it's gone.
It's gone.
It's gone.
Oh, no. Oh, thank God for that.
Did mummy say she's not coming back? No, she's scared of the lizards.
Okay.
Because there was one that was here.
What do you want to do about it? That one.
What?
Throw it away.
Yeah.
Uh,
But I was just breaking it down.
okay, I'll throw it. No, I'll send it down there.
Okay.
After you finish. Oh.
So my uncle's currently helping me put up the furniture because my mum got scared of some lizards. So right now he's gone to get a chair whilst we fix the loungers. So it's a slow and steady process, but it will look good after. right now I'm on the rooftop and I was gonna like line the roof with these like, you know them lounge neon lights, they change colour, blah blah blah, those ones, the solar ones. So now I'm gonna have to get new lights, and I also need to get more decor as well. So for now, this is like a part 1 reveal. The full reveal will be coming soon, but for now this is what the roof looks like. So we've got the, like, I'm calling it the tanning section because that's where we're going to be sitting to tan, like sun lounges. And then on this side we've got like a little sun island day bed, and then here I'm thinking to put a tiki bar, and my lights were going to go across here, like all the way going round across. So what I'm gonna do is basically get new lights and then get the tiki bar, set it all up, you know, have a little bar up here, and then I'll show you guys the end result then. But for now it's still a drastic transformation because as you can see before it looked like this and it was just looking a mess. So at least now, you know, it's coming along, it's coming along. So stay tuned for the next update, guys. Take care, bye.
Why they like those things like that?